Namaste everyone. This is E.R. Suman Bosnet, certified ethical hacker, here on SBComputer. Today, let's unravel the intricate layers of rising cyber threat, the Mr. Tony scam. It's crucial to understand the anatomy of this attack to better safeguard ourselves and our online spaces. Firstly, let's discuss about the start of the attack. The Mr. Tony scam initiates its assault with a powerful botnet where the attacker uses fake and hijack personal Facebook accounts, sending malicious messages through Facebook Messenger. Concealed within these messages is a compressed stealer payload, a digital Trojan horse aimed at infiltrating the victim realm, and the attacker chooses the social engineering tactics. The attackers are cunning strategists employing diverse social engineering tactics to deceive recipient. Some messages pose as complaint about policy violation, while others masquerade as innocent product inquiries. Your target are Facebook business pages. The art lies in the variation of content, file names, and the use of Unicode characters, making each message a unique and elusive threat, slipping past spam detectors undetected. The art of payload download. Within these deceptive messages lies a link seemingly harmless yet profoundly dangerous. Clicking it triggers the download of a classic Steeler payload, often archived with RAR or zip formats. The payload, wrapped in complexity, deploys a multi-step process and five layers of obfuscation to cloak its sinister intent, evading even the most vigilant static detection mechanisms. Once the unsuspecting recipient opens the downloaded payload, a Python based script comes to life. It instantaneously extracts all the cookies and logging data from popular browser on the victim's computer. The final outcome is grim. The attackers successfully compromise the security of Facebook business accounts, gaining the unauthorized access and full control. This highlights the alarming vulnerabilities in modern browsers and even social media services, exposing our digital lives to unprecedented risks. Detection and prevention. So, how we can protect ourselves? The answer is vigilance. Treat messages from unknown users with suspicion. Employ multiple layers of security detection to intercept malicious messages before they reach your social media inbox. Now, we will demonstrate of the Mr. Tony scam at an advanced level. We are performing to raise awareness about the evolving nature of cyber threats.